Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Celsius lifting straps. These straps are designed to enhance your grip and allow you to lift heavier weights with greater confidence. First, take one strap and identify the loop. Thread the opposite, loose end through this loop to form an adjustable opening. Now, slide your hand through this opening, making sure the strap sits comfortably around your wrist, not too tight, not too loose. Once the strap is on your wrist, position your hand over the barbell. Let the loose end of the strap hang down on the outside of your hand. Now, take that loose end and wrap it underneath the bar, moving it away from your body. Continue to wrap the strap tightly around the bar, aiming for 2 or 3 full rotations to ensure a secure connection. With the strap wrapped around the bar, it's time to secure your grip. You can tighten the strap by rotating the barbell slightly or by pulling the loose end of the strap with your free hand. The goal is to eliminate any slack between your wrist and the bar, creating a firm connection. Now, grip the bar as you normally would, ensuring the strap feels like an extension of your hand. Using Celsius lifting straps offers several key advantages. They significantly reduce grip fatigue, allowing you to perform more repetitions and sets, especially on heavy pulling movements. This also helps you focus on the primary muscles you are working rather than your grip giving out first. When you are finished, simply loosen your grip on the bar and unwrap the straps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.